folks, welcome to the personal property tour for 13B Emsdorf Street in London Links. It's amazing, finished an extremely high standard, first floor, one bedroom apartment, formerly a two bedroom apartment. It can be changed back, I'll talk about that when I'm up there. Finished an extremely high standard, as I said, and it's ready to move in, and it's in a prime position in London Links. I'll talk about that towards the end as well, where it is in proximity to everything. Safe to say, right at the top of the road, you've got all the amenities, butchers, bakers, you've even got a convenience store, you've got the pharmacy up the top of the road, literally 100 yards from me. See, just up the top of there, right there, that's where it all is. If you don't know this area, I'm just going to say one thing: God's country. And I'll see you on the first floor. Okay, so here we are at the first floor. You can see we've got a wee seating here on the landing as well, which looks out the back garden. I'll give you a sneak peek in a minute when we're in there, but let me flip the camera around to show you what the property is inside. Here we are here. First thing I notice about this, you know the quality of standard here when it's finished with a composite door to the front. Really nice inside. As we go in to this nice reception hall, you can see it's nice and spacious throughout. Immediately you see the doors. They're a real high standard, solid wood doors. I know where they've been sourced from. They're a good supplier and are really high standard. Storage to the side here, you've got the hot water tank in here as well. You've got lots of storage in there as well as a cupboard. And then as we go into my left hand side, we go into the dining kitchen. Now this used to be where it was, the other bedroom. The kitchen used to be a partition here, so you'd have a bedroom over there, you'd have the kitchen there. But they love cooking and entertaining, so this is ideal. But you've got your dining table here, you've got a seating area there as well. See, you've got a wall-mounted television. So this could actually be your open plan living room, dining if you want, if that's the type of style you want. And then you could have the living room as another bedroom, so you could have the two big bedrooms back instead of this one. So it's entirely up to yourself how you do that, but just now it's set out as a one bedroom with loads of space inside in this big dining kitchen. But you can see straight away, Bora induction hob, German. It is a real high quality kitchen here. Korean style worktops. Across to the side here, built-in fridge freezer. You've got Siemens steam ovens, and you've got a microwave inbuilt to the top as well. You've got your integrated washer dryer. You've got your cooker, hot tap as well, so immediate instant hot water here, no kettle needed, cooker tap, and then you've got your integrated dishwasher as well, and plenty storage space and drawers as well. So you can see this is a big huge activity area and space and cupboards. As we come along to here, we've got other cupboards at the other side here for storage, and one of the most important things, which is your wine cooler at the end there. But you can see the seating area. Give you a quick sneak peek out the back. You can see there's the garden. Look, loads of parking there, and I'll talk about that towards the end. We'll give it a quick look round before we go into the next rooms. Wait till you see the shower room. Shower room's gorgeous, by the way. So, shower room. Inbuilt, you can see WC, and you've got your sink. And you've got a nice rainfall shower, separate attachment as well there. And the controls where they should be before you go in. So you're not running in and out in the cold trying to get that to the right temperature. It's there, the controls before you go in, which is perfect. And then to your double bedroom. Now you can see you've got wardrobes over there, and you've got drawer units over there as well. But the real other thing as well, you've got storage. You've got an inbuilt sliding doors wardrobe to here, so you've got plenty space for storage. That looks like a Super King bed, by the way, just to give you a bit of perspective of how big this room is. But you can see the standard it's finished at. And then as we go into the living room area, I'll just start over here as we go round. Nice good sized living room in here. Let's put a couple of lights in and see what it's like for you. Yeah, so good sized living room area overall in here, as you'll see. And just we look at the front before we go. See there, and then as we come back, and I'll see you outside at the back garden. Okay, so here we are out the back parking area and also the communal garden. Let me flip the camera around and let you see it. Nice good size here, you can see. Basically manicured gardens to the rear. Even the car park's actually finished at a really good standard as well. It's not often you get that. That's to the side as well, as you can get access in there from the front. I'll give you a quick look there, just so you see that. See, coming off the main road, so you can get into here. Nice and private actually. You've got nice high walls here. This used to be the former cinema, apparently. And up into our back garden. So communal parking here. You've got a communal drying area as well, and then you've got this beautiful landscape back garden. South facing, sits in the sun all day long. Let me show you. I'm just going to take advantage of this now. As you'll see, and the sun's just nipped behind the clouds. It's sitting at 11 o'clock just now, coming up. So south is right there, east is right there, and it comes all the way around. South is here, and then west is just over there. So it's the perfect place to sit and enjoy yourself. Loads of parking, loads of space. But more importantly, it's where it is in proximity to everything. Let me just explain. As I said at the beginning, you're about 100 to 200 metres from the main shopping facilities here. So you've got the butchers, you've got the bakers. I'm going to say candlestick, but you've not got the soap company around the corner, which is that one. You've got the convenience store, Zaffar's convenience store. You've also got the pharmacist up there as well, and another couple of shops, hairdressers. that I'll need it. What else? Close proximity as well to Lundin Links Golf Course, beautiful Links Golf Course, 18-holer, and then you've got the Lundin Ladies Golf Course just up the road around the corner. You've got tennis, the tennis club, you've also got the bowls club, and then further down you've got a sailing club here in Lower Largo. You've also got the open water swimming. They've got an active open water swimming group here as well, and then you go down into the harbour in Lower Largo, which is again an easy walking route, and you've got the Railway Tavern, which is a fantastic pub, and then you've also got the Crusoe Hotel, which is a fantastic place to eat as well. This is prime Fife Coastal Path area. As I said at the beginning, literally hashtag God's country. It has got everything here, and then you've got easy access. It's just on the fringe of East Neuk, and you can get back into the East Neuk area. You can go easy access into Leven, a couple of hours down the road. Leven has the main train station, which leads directly to Waverley, Edinburgh, just over an hour. Use it all the time. Or you can go up to the park and ride at Cameron Bridge, and you can get in there, and you can get into Edinburgh as well from there also. So easy access into Edinburgh, easy access back from Edinburgh, I would say as well. So you've got a lot of things. You've got the coastal path, you've got lifestyle living, you've got everything on your doorstep. What more do you need? Perfect lifestyle choice, isn't it? Finished on a high standard inside, ready to move in. What are you waiting on? Give us a call, message direct on this post, or click on the link above or below for more details. Be quick though, this won't hang around long. Until next time guys, I'm Jim Parker in the sunny coastal area of the East Neuk for Fife Properties TV. Bye bye for now.